shortwave broadcasting has begun. Broadcasting news, culture, and perspective 24 hours a day on 93.95 kilohertz. This is Global 24 Radio, broadcasting on WRMI and OKTOB Florida. You are tuned to 93.95 kilohertz in the 31-meter band. Visit www.global24radio.com for more information.
An hour of Paris Live this Wednesday, the 5th of November. I'm Hallam Al-Kizane. Here are the headlines. In the US, Republicans have seized control of the Senate after the most expensive midterm elections in history. Ukrainian President Petro Poroshenko orders army reinforcements to key cities in the south and east of the country in anticipation of a new rebel offensive. And police in Mexico arrest a fugitive ex-mayor and his wife suspected of ordering a police attack, which led to the disappearance of 42 students. And coming up later in the programme, Paul Myers has the latest scores news, and Michael Fitzpatrick will join me in the studio for a review of the French press. We start in the US, where the Republican Party has won the US Senate, seizing control of both chambers for the first time since 2006. Midterm results are still coming in, but it's a blow to President Barack Obama, as this Republican win signals a difficult end to his White House term. Earlier this morning, I asked our Washington correspondent Philip Kreibel what a Republican-controlled legislature means for Barack Obama.
Well, for him, things certainly won't get any easier. The White House has already announced that Barack